welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. Okay, my name is Bonnie or Make UK. You can just pick whichever one you like. Today I'm not gonna be doing anything related to fashion. No, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I style my natural hair. Okay, how do I look, by the way? Okay. Okay, you're right. So I don't know what to tell you guys. Okay, let me talk about makeup because it is part of my channel's content and I haven't yet posted anything about it. Okay, I just want to say, guys, I'm not yet a pro in makeup. I'm still learning. You can even see my eyebrows, they don't look so good. So I'm still learning, guys, but then as time goes on, probably I'll be a pro and I'm gonna show you guys how to do things.